Alright guys, it's Chandra. This is my take on shrimp curry. So I have a pound to 2 pounds of large shrimp. I'm going to peel them and devein them. My ingredients for that will be culantro. I have a dish of curry powder, grind jeera, and mixin. I also have fresh hot peppers. Again, it's to your take. I like to have like a handful of it. I don't cut it, I don't chop it up, only because I have the kids eating the shrimp curry as well. So I keep them whole in the process of cooking. I have my garlic and pepper, and I have a quarter of a large onion. I'm also going to cook on the side a chopped spinach, also known as bhajee. So it's going to be just a little side dish along with my shrimp curry. So let's get going. So in a thick bottom pot curry, what you're going to do is let your oil heat up on a medium-high heat. We're going to go ahead with our quarter of onion chopped up. Let that cook, let it become translucent. Again, it's just about a minute or two. Let this saute. We're going to go in with a bit of our garlic and our tomatoes after this. Okay, so our onions have been cooking for a bit. I'm going to go in with the garlic and pepper. I'm also at the same time going to go in with my tomatoes. Give this a toss up. I think my heat is a little too high, so I'm going to go ahead and lower it to a full medium. Let this saute about 2 minutes. You want your tomatoes nice and tender. And then we're going to go in with our curry paste mixture. Okay, we're going to now go in with our curry paste mixture. Give this a toss up. Let this cook for a good 2 minutes. You want the ingredients to all mesh together, and you want the curry paste to definitely mix. I'm going to go in with my salt as well. For this 2 pounds of salt, I'm really just going to be putting very little salt, maybe about a teaspoon or 2. And it's to your liking. So my curry mixture has been sauteing for a good 2 to 3 minutes. I'm going to go in with some coconut milk. And with that, I am now going to go in with my hot water as well. So we're going to get all this flavor from the milk. Okay guys, so in my pot I have, after my curry paste has sauteed for a good 3 minutes, I went ahead with a quarter cup of fresh coconut milk. And you could omit it if you don't like coconut milk in your shrimp curry, but I like it just for the creamy texture, just like the crab curry. And I went in with about a 1/2 to 3/4 cup of water. I just want the curry mixture to saute for a bit, get all the flavors going and cooking. After about 5 minutes of this cooking like this, bubbling up, I'm going to go ahead and put in at least another 1/2 cup of, a quarter to a 1/2 cup. You're going to gauge it because of the shrimp that we have. So I'm going to start with a 1/4 cup of water. And then if I feel that my shrimp still needs a little bit more water, I'll add the remainder. If not, then we'll gauge it as we go. But once this finishes, after 5 minutes, we'll go in with the shrimp. Alright guys, so my curry mixture has been bubbling for about 3 minutes. I'm going to keep it going for another few minutes. This is my consistency of the curry so far. I just wanted to thicken up just a bit more. And I'll give it another two minutes to this. Once the 2 minutes is up, I'm going to go in with my shrimp. Alright guys, so my curry mixture has been on the stove in the heat for about a good 5 minutes, and this is the consistency you're looking. It's not too thick nor too watery, and I think this is just about good enough water in the pot that I'm going to keep at. And I'm going to go ahead with my shrimp. We are going to go in, give this a nice toss up. Let this cook for about 5 to 6 minutes, maybe 8 minutes, because they're a large shrimp. You want it to come up back to a boil, and I'm gonna go ahead. Maybe I might add a little bit more water because I feel that my curry might end up thickening up a little bit. But I'll check it out after 2 minutes, after the shrimp has sauteed, and we'll take a look again. Here we go. I'm going to saute 1 bag of chopped spinach with a few tablespoons of my coconut milk. I have some hot peppers, some cilantro, some onion, and garlic. In a pot, I'm going to go ahead and put my onions in to saute. I'm going to let this onion cook for 3 minutes. after it's sauteing and the onions are softened, I'm gonna go in with my garlic, hot peppers, cilantro, and maybe about 4 tablespoons of coconut milk. Alright guys, so my onions has been sauteing about for a good 2.5 to 3 minutes. I'm gonna go in now with my garlic, my hot peppers, and my cilantro. Yep. Give this a quick toss. Let this cook up for just 2 minutes. You want the garlic paste to just melt up. I like to have mine frozen. It's a lot easier for cooking during the week. Let this saute for 2 minutes, and then we're gonna go in with our coconut milk. Okay, so now my onions, hot pepper, cilantro, and my coconut milk has been sauteing for a few minutes. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my bag of spinach. Alright guys, so I went ahead, I put in the spinach. I added a little bit of coconut milk because I really like the coconut milk in it. Like I said, you could omit it if you don't like it, but you could put as much or as little as you want. I went in with my salt as well. I'm gonna give this a good toss up. And then I'll show you midway. This is only going to be sauteing about anywhere from I would say about 6 to 8 minutes because it's only 1 bag of spinach, and it's still a little bit frozen, but it's gonna thaw out really, really quick. And well, I'll show you the end product. Okay, guys, so this is my halfway, and it's looking delicious. As you can see, the cream from the coconut milk is all cooked in within the spinach. I'm going to give this another few minutes just so the liquid could evaporate. And that's about it. This took just about 10 minutes. So guys, this is what's for dinner. Tonight I have shrimp curry made with coconut milk. I have bhajee, also made with coconut milk, and I have some basmati rice. The basmati rice took me about a good 10-15 minutes because it's a lot of rice. My spinach took me 15 minutes from prep to end, and my shrimp curry took me about a half hour from beginning to end. Guys, you're gonna love this. It's a quick recipe during the week of work, and as you can tell, I have some friends with me, but you're gonna love this dish. So here goes my taste tester for dinner tonight. How's that shrimp curry? Thank you. Is it delicious? Mm-hmm. Like that spinach? Yummo.